So in the last video, we got this entire car stripped, and well, it ain't looking too bad, but it's not looking too good either. It looks like one of those riot cars that just been left abandoned. Tomorrow morning, we actually have an appointment set up to sandblast almost everything. Now, the one thing we got to deal with before the guy comes tomorrow is we have to take off this roof. This roof is going to be in the way, and there's a bunch of metal on the inside that needs to get blasted too. We're going to need 2 spots to just brace right here in the front and 1 spot in the back. And then we're going to measure it, cut this off, brace this, so then that way when we cut the top off, the roof doesn't collapse and we lose our measuring, because then that's going to be bad news bears for us, and we don't want to have to be chasing lines. All right, let's get cutting. So I'm trying my best to brace this car, but what I realize is this is looking pretty bold, especially right there. Now the good news is I have charger measurements that we could go based off of and see how far out of whack it is, because chances are this roof is buckled and the frame is probably kinked in a little bit. Just gotta chop the roof off, and then we go to put the new one on. We'll just open it back up, and there you go, presto, roof will fit. I don't know why I'm thinking so much about it. Oh yeah! Success! Alright guys, we had a slight change of plan. Most of this stuff is pretty intact, so putting 1 bar across the middle that's super strong, I highly doubt that this whole front end is just gonna come in on itself. So I just went and took the smarter route, put 1 bar in the middle, there we go, presto. And the bar is holding me up, so if it's holding me up, it's gonna hold the rest of this car up. Now for the roof, I don't think you guys can see this. Yeah, this roof is gonzo. All I have to do is drill out the front rail, the back rail, and then I could just go crazy and just chisel all on the side and unstick this panel bonds. And hopefully we can get this thing off by tonight.
Well, if you burn me, we'll be twins.
That's why that's why I'm pointing it that way.
She says, we will be twins. That's not a threat, that's a promise.
And it's a little drill bit, so you know it's going in.
Yo.
That's not even funny.
You might want to wait 2 seconds because she's literally right there in front of you.
Listen.
These sparks make their way that way.
This is a wheel weld now, okay? Or, this is not a freaking drill.
Yes.
Imagine somebody asked him, "Do you feel safe? Do you feel safe at work?"
Not at all.
Like I get yelled at and I get threatened.
That's every day of my life. There you go. See, so this is the new piece that we already ordered from the dealership, guys. See under here, all this stuff, there's usually a big old foam piece that goes right across here. But obviously it got damaged in the fire. Same exact way as Phoenix, but the only difference is I wasn't smart enough to take this out and order a new one. So at least now this is all open. So when the guy comes to sandblast tomorrow, now he can take all this nasty stuff off and we don't have to worry about any freaking rusting out in the future. Have to do quarter panel work now thanks to this guy right here.
The more work you do, the easier it gets, right?
No, not at all.
You sure?
I'll go to your job and tell him, hey, the more work he does, the easier it's gonna get. We'll see
is.
that.
I promise you.
I'm gonna send like 5 bands to you then.
The more work you do, the quicker your day goes.
Sure.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Some days it feels like an eternity.
Some days it feels
Alright.
like.
We're gonna try to kick this up and
Go ahead, show off your
My muscles.
Your kung fu skills.
All right. Let's see here. This is leg day for me. You ready? Oh my god. You can, yo, that was. Oh my god. That's like 2-day-old rainwater. You couldn't make that up if you wanted to. I thought I was gonna get rust on my face. Next thing I know, I just see.
It went through the antenna hole.
It's Niagara Falls.
That was literally like just. Oh my god.
Yeah, I did. If
was
not,
not-
I would have him do it again.
I would not do that again. I was not even. That was supposed to be done the first time. All right, you know what? I need to do a better way of attacking. I'm gonna go with my back standing up. I am not doing. Yeah, I have no idea.
There is no.
No, there is no more water. Okay.
No, all on your face.
Yeah, it's,
And your shirt.
you know what? I'm covering my face because of the rust, anyways. That was not smart of me.
I wasn't even thinking about no.
Yeah, I guess not.
He
None of
water
us
he
were.
waterboarded
after,
himself.
right?
Until after, right? All right, you ready?
Yep. Oh, no, that's. What the fuck is it? Would you like me to inventory? It's an inventory.
That's an inventory now. So wait a minute. How does this work? So the way that this,
It's welded.
it's like reverse.
It's reverse welded?
It looks like the panel. So this is where the panel was cut out at. It looks like it's like folds over and then comes down. That's kind of dumb.
No, that was me cutting. That's where I cut it at.
Oh, you did cut the quarter panel. No, that's quarter
Where?
panel. Yeah, no, you cut the quarter panel, bro.
What about that side? Did I do it?
Yeah, you cut both quarter panels. Yeah. You know, bro, just go home. You're fired.
No.
Just go home. Leave all your tools though.
Can I have my
Leave all the
sausage?
tools?
Can I have my sausage?
No, you don't get your sausage.
What?
Here you go. We don't know exactly how this goes on, guys. Someone's gonna have to tell us. I was about to say, be careful. The doors are back there. You see that?
That's why I'm like,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
put it right there.
I text the guy that's gonna be sandblasting this thing. He hasn't gotten back to me, but fingers crossed he doesn't stand us up because I did all of this for him. So I guess I'll just see you guys tomorrow, and fingers crossed the guy will be here. We need you guys need to subscribe so I can bring him on full time. So then that way I can get more stuff done and I have an extra person.
Hit the subscribe button, please.
Please, because then I have a slave to be able to, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Morning, guys. So we're here. This is Nick from Brasters. You guys can see right there. Now, I used Nick before when I had to get some valve covers done, and I remember he actually had a full dustless blasting setup, and I remember him telling me he did cars, and fast forward, here we are. So you want to give him a little bit of info on this rig right here?
Compressor pushes about 120 psi. It's dustless, so basically what you've got, you put your media, in this case is crushed glass, water in here. The water tank is at the front. We're going to fill that up in a bit. Basically, there's a pump there that pumps it straight into here, and it comes out as a slurry through this 100-foot blast hose. And there you go.
And there you go. Sweet. And guys, this is going to be the last time you guys see this car looking the way that it does.
I don't need recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments.
Hey guys, so this is the first half. We're gonna rinse it off and show you guys how freaking nice. You could already see it even with all the sand there. Nick, you're kicking butt, bro.
Thank you.
Freaking amazing.
Stand off this side.
No, it's fine, because I'd rather let it... The worse this side looks, the better the...
What it actually is.
Yeah, exactly. You know, that's how it works, right? It's a good before and after right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, car is officially blasted. We are done. Huge shout out again to Nick at Brit Blasters, guys. If you need anything blasted, boats, trains, buildings, cars, skyscrapers, the man does it all, even nuts and bolts. But no, man, you killed it, bro. You did a freaking awesome job, bro. Man, you freaking, look at that, guys. And didn't take them that long at all either, man. You knocked this out in what, 2.5, 3 hours? Even?
2 hours.
About 2 hours, yeah.
About 2 hours tops.
Yeah, man, that's, look at, he even did the doors, guys. Look at this. He went above and beyond, got these doors. Come on, do you got an Instagram?
No.
You don't got no, bro, you gotta get online, man.
I know. No Instagram. I got a website. No Instagram.
All right, well, guys, go give him a good review on Google, right? You got Google? So, yeah, give him a good Google review. If you want to hit him up, number's on the back. Go ahead. Yeah, there's a number right there, boys and girls. So, again, Nick, I appreciate you, brother.
No worries.
And, well, yeah, check out, man. Stay tuned, man. You're going to see this thing. I got to give you a ride in it when it's done. Yeah.
No. It just looks super white. Like, that's what I want my teeth to look like. No. Do the white check.
No, I'm good.
The tissue test.
No, I'm good. Guys, it's white. It's done. I knew.
It really does.
Like, honestly, we just smack a roof on, put that panel on, and it's...
And take that bar out in the middle.
Yeah. We can keep that there. That's reinforcement. That could be our race bar.
Until somebody that doesn't have a seatbelt and goes, push.
Yeah.
They'll have no teeth.
We just sprayed this, so I want to touch it, and I know I can't. So we're going to have to let this sit for a few hours, and...
We're going to go eat some chicken wings.
Yeah, I'm going to go eat some chicken wings, and I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. We'll see where we're at. I don't know if we're going to be able to get the roof for this vlog, but...
We got to figure out how the roof goes first.
You know what? Leave a comment, because I really don't know how the roof comes apart. And if we do get a donor roof, we still are not going to know how to take it apart, and then we're probably going to mess it up. Crazy is, now I'm going to actually... I didn't want to have to paint the rest of the car, but now...
But that's going to be all covered with rug.
But still, it's like, look at this. Look at how nice the freaking blasted part is.
So this is your teeth, and that's the white teeth, is what you're saying.
You know what? I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm done. All right, guys. We got to go get ourselves a roof. And I got a little secret project that behind the scenes. If you're following us on Instagram, you kind of already know what's going on. But if you aren't following us, well, then go check us out there. And we'll see y'all in the next one.